So on this work, I created, that is, you have to create a new page. I'm going to use 14 by 10. Okay, so once you create 14 by 10, you have to go. All right, so now, and one thing that you have to always draw your attention on is that whenever you are designing a work, make sure you save the work after you created the new page. If you create a new page, make sure you save it before you start the work, because you might not know, your machine can go can shut down at any time, and you might lose a lot of you might lose everything, or you have to start afresh. So you have to always save your work before you start. It's very important. So when you look on top there, I have saved it. So I'm going to use some details here to design it. So I'm using these pictures right here. Okay, so these are the pictures I'm using. I'm using these pictures for the design. So this one will come here like that, and this one, where the other one? This one too will be here, something like this. All right. I think this one is kind of bigger, so this one too will come here, and this is how it's going to okay. So now what you have to do is I'm going to create shape. So this is shape. I'm creating a shape right here. Creating a shape on Photoshop is simple. So you just pick up the shape and you just draw. Okay, now I'm going to rasterize it because I want to give effect. Okay, I want to give apply effect. So I'll go to filter. From filter, and I'll go to noise, add noise. Okay, so I'm going to add, this is okay, 10.12. It's okay for me. Then I'm going to lock it. Once I lock it, I'll come back. I don't need this one anymore, so I'm going to close them. And now I think this one is a little bit bigger. Okay, now it's okay. He is the main speaker, so you know, he's the main speaker. He's the main speaker. Okay, I think this is okay for me. So you have to continue by we're going to type in the this is the date. You're going to change the date. So let me bring in the name of the church, and okay, so I'll make sure I leave the font link in the description so that you can check that out. So I'm going to change this one to black so that you see, sometimes if you want to change the colors, you want to fade in the colors of this. I mean, if you are using a text, okay, let's say black, and you want to change the color to kind of lighter, a very deep, this one is 0. When you press number 8 on your keyboard, you see the numbers, the colors will begin to change it to in a way that you want it. Okay, I think let me go for 7 or 8, 9. 7 is 8 is okay, right? Then you come your present, you have to change the color. The spread is it too much? Yeah, I'm sure it's too much. You see, if you want to spread a text, this, when you look on top here, VA right here, okay, you just place the, I don't normally know the names they call it, but yeah. So if you selected characters, set the tracking selected character. So that is what I know it is, but I don't know the name they call it. So I don't know the kind of name they call it. Now I'm going to draw a shape right here, a shape for my, and I drag it down so that this one will show. I'm going to change the color to white so that you can see it, because it's a background. All right, so I need to show I'm going to create something here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a shape. I'm going to bring a shape here. So I mean, this is up to you how you're going to create it. You know, it's up to you. So this is not what I want. Yeah, this is not what I want. So I'm going to use, okay, let's do it this way and see how it's going to be like. I actually want it this way, so it's going to take my time, but I have to do it, so that those that they want to, Photoshop is actually it's a software you can use to create your own stuff. All right, you can use to create your own, can create something for yourself. Okay, so I think something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. And then I'm going to use rectangle to convert point to push this side. Press OK. Should I do it this way? So I'm actually going to use a line here. Okay, so let me try to use a line in here like that. Okay, then change the color to something like this. The color that I'm looking for, I think I don't get it, so okay, this is okay. Now I'm going to give out a kind of a dot in here. Shouldn't be too big, right? Down here, and use the same color on this one. Okay, so I think this is okay. Now we're going to use the details that is passed over. No. Okay, I think that's not the title, so I'm going to write the title down. I'm going to type the title down. Have to increase the size and then close. If you want to close the spaces, you just press on the zero there, the zero number, and then it will close. So now I'm going to type in glory hour. So okay, so glory hour, and change the font to red. I'm going to use some fonts for it and see. Which fonts should we use? This one is not okay for me. I think I'm going to use if you're a graphic designer out there, I want you to, all the graphic designers there, I want you to leave your comment. Leave a comment. Which font do you love using the most? Yeah, when it comes to graphic designers, most of the designers, all of them have their favorite. They have their favorite font. So if I may ask, which font do you love most? Which font do you like using the most? Drop that in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to give noise to this one too. I've already used the noise, so I'll click on that. Now what I'll do is it's glory hour, right? So I'm going to type the hour. I think this one, I'm trying if I can give out. I can give out some. I'll give out script font. Which script font do you love using the most? You can drop that in the comment section too. I think all my scriptness here is not catchy for me. All of them is not catchy, man. I mean, it's looking at what I'm doing, seems like glory hour. So I'm going to glory hour. So I'm going to change this to color, right? Color it, and now I'm going to type in Control J. Control J is one you want to duplicate. Okay, if you want to duplicate anything on Photoshop, then you have to use Control J to duplicate. Glory hour with God, right? So glory hour with God. W. I'm trying if I can use script for this one. Okay, I think this is okay. Glory hour with God. Let me see if I can give her. Okay, it's okay. This is okay. This is okay for me. Let me hear your comment. How do you see? How do you see? I'm creating. Add noise is actually it's an effect which if you want to give out your you see, it's not by force that every design you have to create noise for the design. Yeah, okay. So but I decided to give out a noise to that. So it's not like the client insisted I should create. No, whatever you wanted, that's what you have to do. Okay, so I think that's what I love to do. So black and white. Looking at how I did it, let me hear your comment. So I'm trying to use a different color and see how it's gonna happen. So let me hear your comments. Okay, so let me duplicate the hour and change it to black and see kind of ash color. Okay, so both this one, this, which one will you prefer? So looking at this one too, so which one would you prefer? Do you prefer that it should be red or black? Let me hear your comments about that. Now you're going to type in the date. I'm going to use the date and the time. So it's not actually April. I just want to change it. So I'm going to write in 5th, 5th June, 5th June. Okay. Change the color to white. And then change the font since it's too big. So I'm going to use extra bold right now. Going to change this one to black and type June. June in here like that. June. Okay, so what I'm going to do is looking at this one, I'm going to duplicate this. And bring it here. Um, 5th June. You know, okay, so now 5th June to July, and then I'm going to write in the date, days and time. Days and time. Okay, so want to use calibrate. And close. I have to close the space in there. And this one too, have to change it to calibrate. Need to close it and change it to okay. Then I'm going to draw change the color to black. Now I'm going to change it to its color and place it inside. And it this way so that it can fix inside. Okay, very nice. Now going to change the font to calibrate. Center line it like that. So something simple. So I'm going to change change the color to red. Change this one to red. Change this one extra bold. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the contact going to bring in the contact. And add noise. Let me add noise to this one too. Add noise to this one. And then also noise. So need to come with their names. So need to come with their name. Get rid of this. Montserrat. Montserrat font. So then we go for the speaker font as well. So you just take your time and arrange them. Very nice and simple. Okay folks, so let me hear your comments about this. I mean, how do you see this work? The work, I mean, the recording itself is very lengthy, but whatever be the case, I just try to work hard and come out with something that a lot of you will learn. Okay, so thank you very much for visiting my channel. And if you are new here, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor subscribe to the channel and be part of this awesome family. This is amazing. Thank you very much, folks. My name is Jocelyn, and see you on my next video. Bye.